there's a lot of things coming. We're super excited about what's possible within the new architecture. We want to make full use of the capabilities of the devices, especially in the Apple ecosystem. Apple has done quite a leap in terms of power of their new devices, as well as the frameworks that are available, namely frameworks for augmented reality and for machine learning. Now that sounds obscure and very techy. I think it's easier to understand if we take a look at a live demo of one of these new upcoming capabilities. And for that, I'd like to invite my colleague Tim Murphy on stage.
Thank you, Orna. Good morning, everybody. We're excited to share with you today a demonstration of augmented reality directly within the Veeva CLM Media Library. So augmented reality blends the real world with the virtual world and allows your brand teams and content partners to build rich, immersive new experiences. This helps your field force deliver their messaging using a new visual way of storytelling, whether it's about the disease state or methods of treatment, or even experiencing the disease from the patient's perspective. So how does this all work? Let's take a look. So I'm in the Veeva CLM Media Library in Sunrise, and I'm going to go to this presentation, which is about macular degeneration. This is the leading cause of vision loss. Now, certain forms of this disease respond to treatment. But how can we illustrate that in a richer way? I'm going to turn my back for a moment, and I'm going to swipe to the next slide, which is augmented reality content, and it enables the camera, which displays the real world, and within it, I'm going to place a virtual object. In this case, it's a giant eyeball. Now, I could walk around this eyeball and explore it in all three dimensions, but instead, I'm going to walk in through the lens of the eyeball and show you from the disease state is caused by an abnormal growth of blood vessels. But when I turn around and look back through the lens of the eyeball, back into the real world, I can illustrate the progression of the disease. Now with treatment, we can reverse that. And this is how we bring augmented reality into the Veeva CLM Media Library. I'd like to thank our content partner, PIXACORE. Please visit them in the podium. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Tim.